Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Daniel Gazzara. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're finally going to get back into Ratchet and Clank. Sorry it took a bit. My computer was acting up with my storage, and I don't know, man. It was a whole fucking thing. I don't know. But I'm able to get back into it now. But yeah, last I remember is Clank got taken by shit, what's her name? Damn, I already forgot her name. Yeah, you know what I mean. Hopefully you guys saw part 1. But anyways, let's get into this game. Alright, cool.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Let's go this way. No? Okay.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the nefarious city bazaar. Please remember
This
to
looks
thank
nice.
our marvelous emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Okay, hold on. I want to go over there, but let's go here first. Alright. I guess we'll go on. Yeah, I know we can't go down there. There's like no way to get back up. Okay, let's go.
You think those purple rifts are a resistance bot?
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Okay. think.
That sounds like a club, all right.
What?
Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor?
Drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Come on, Phantom, where are you?
Wow.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Uh-oh.
Can't believe first mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. Phantom, wait!
I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I
Oh
heard
shit.
you-
No
Shit,
names.
shit, shit.
You gotta be smarter than that.
I didn't mean to do that.
Ah! Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names.
Oh.
You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
I'm right there. I was there. Oh, shit. Shit. I lost him. Ah! Hello? Let's go.
Don't mind if I do.
Oh, okay. So does that unlock it for me? I guess so. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh shit, that's all it is.
I cannot wait to dismember yet another enemy.
Does it work now? Ah, bitch. Fuck.
I've seen worse.
Ah, you. Oh yeah.
Please don't shoot me back.
I have a gun.
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom. Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Ah, hey, wait!
There he is. The fuzzball from the club.
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance member! I will make the Emperor proud today! I will recover! Engage the tool!
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't reach what doesn't tempt.
Oh, let's go.
Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest.
Oh, that's sick.
Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those paths.
Ah!
Come on.
Oh, almost
Not
died.
gonna bite. You wanna go
Oh, that is
further?
so cool.
Jump and Phantom Dash.
That's awesome.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank.
Ah, bitch.
Just...
I do not believe I have thanked Emperor Nefarious today.
No.
Nefarious! A dissenter! Alerting all active units!
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the
Ah.
room? You should use that rare titanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Ooh, cool.
You are getting it. Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the rare titanium.
Guess.
See?
Okay.
Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
I'm okay right now. I'm fine.
What can Miss Zircon do for you?
Now what? Did I go up? Okay, I go up here.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious' propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Okay.
I do so enjoy a stroll.
Ooh, that's cool. I didn't even think of that. Ah.
I am trying to help you.
You should not eat apple clawback.
What? Alright, cool.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go?
Uh-oh.
Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work.
Let's go.
All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Can I like get off and like break those things?
Hey, Sugar!
Could've-
I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spy
Maybe
bomb
not.
factory for our resistance friends. Maybe you could pick it up.
Resistant spy bot? Sounds useful.
I feel like I could have
Worth a
though.
look.
Oh, hold on. No. Oh well, it's probably a one-time shot. If it wasn't, I don't know how to get to it. So we're good.
has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is
course.
against the law.
Wasn't gonna be that easy.
Where did you even come from?
Oh man. Oh cool.
We'll put you in your place.
Fuck.
What the yikes? Yikes, yikes!
Uh oh. Whoa.
Oh no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
Oh. This is dope as fuck.
Should have seen that coming.
Oh.
Death ray activated.
That hurt him? It does, but it's not too, it's not too, it doesn't work too well. Let's go see what else I can get from here. Fuck. Ooh, there's more. No, there's more. Alright. Okay, I
At least
guess.
it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Dang, bro.
Shake it off, Ratchet.
I have dealt worse.
And go.
There.
Let's go.
Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Anything over here that I can have? Nope. Okay. Well, let's go.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh.
Oh, cool.
Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
Oh, shit.
Nanovirus is here? I am training for this. Electro guns, please don't kill me now.
What is that?
Virus pods sucking energy from your computer. Hey, the infection is starting to clear. Good. Good.
Okay.
I guess I can try to take out the rest now.
Ah.
Huh. What's with the capsule? Some wormers are coming out of that pod. Oh, no, no, no,
Ah,
no, no, no,
viruses.
no, 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 no. I better delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
Let's go.
That was all me. I did it. Oh, man. I really... Wow. Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
That's dope.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Death traps.
Huh?
Warp bombs. 5 planet destroying cannons and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Sure.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that lumber!
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! Wait! Under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Shit.
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Where are you taking
cool.
me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Dude, this shit looks fucking nice. Oh shit.
I would not advise that.
Ooh. Oh shit.
Great! There's a Seekerpede right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while.
Probably can't go in there, right?
Swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium
Yeah, I couldn't go in
factory.
there, so.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles.
Gotcha,
Yeah.
Speedle?
That's why I'm gonna ride
fuck
one.
is a Speedle?
As soon as I can get close enough. Oh. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Go ahead, upgrade that.
Needle wasps.
Shit.
Where's that Speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
Shit.
And
No.
the last Speedle runs into that rift thingy.
Oh, shit.
Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
Whoa.
I,
You just walk into
a
another
dimensional
dimension?
Pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
Holy
How do you
shit,
come
that's
up with this
nice.
stuff?
Wow. That's so cool, man.
wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
No, don't hide! Ugh. Hello there.
All right, let's go. So where are we going? All right, going this way. Oh shit, wrong way. Crap, crap. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm fucking dead. What? Get stuck. Did I break the game? I think I just broke the game. Yeah, I broke the game. Yo, what the fuck? Dude, it just...
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the boards.
Ooh. Oh, okay, so you could just... Cool, okay. Why? Yeah. Okay. Ah. Cool. Shit, but now how do I get... Oh, here we go. Oh, sick. Alright, cool. Let's go. Those... Don't go in there again. That shit looks dope as fuck. R1? Okay. Oh! Shit, okay. Oh!
You can get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard.
All the
Let's
bites
find
once?
the morts.
Alright, where's that? Oh, okay. Oh, where is it? Just like that.
Excuse me.
Look out!
I got it. See?
Oh shit.
Sometimes I don't
No!
crash. Stop!
Oh man.
There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robo-Pen across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you
They
got
look
like
cool.
9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends.
Bolts?
You don't want to test my...
Hey!
Ratchet and
I know
Bolts,
where
huh?
you can find a Lombax. Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Oh, why did I do that? Oh, I was good. I was good.
You're keeping 2 dimensions. Those things sting.
Hey, maybe I could just go in here.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
No?
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Oh shit. Fucking Breath of the Wild type shit, huh?
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax. Became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the
Cool.
dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first,
shit.
pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see,
Come on now.
Now, enter the meta terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense. Dimensionally speaking. Oh.
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
But right now. Oh.
my possibilities cross this
That's
gap.
what I was thinking. And then there we go.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic.
Okay, this is new.
I feel myself learning
Right.
something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
Words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that.
Ah.
I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is...
There we go.
Zero G on demand.
There we go. There's that. There's this one. Finally.
That's it, Clank! You repaired
Oh
the
man,
anomaly.
damn, that took me a while.
Now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
Give me that. Let's go. Should have taken the other ones though. One from the first level or some shit. That's okay.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
Just gotta lower the bridge and then I'm taking you.
It reminds me of that one SpongeBob episode
What are we
where
going to do there?
all
You'll find
the
out soon enough.
all the Vikings are named fuck, what's the shit? What's their name? They're all named the same shit, and then there's that one that's named differently. Oh man, that's a fucking funny scene, dude. But yeah, that's just what it reminded me of. Everyone here is named Mort. I know we're gonna run into somebody that's probably named something else. That's hilarious. But I think I'm gonna end it there. This episode's getting a little bit long. But man, I'm having so much fun playing this game. The whole switching dimensions thing is still, it's just super impressive. You know, man, I don't know what I'm even saying, dude. This game is just really, really good. I'm really happy to continue. I'm really happy to continue playing this shit, and I'm gonna get to part 3 real soon. But anyways, guys, if you guys are enjoying this game as much as I am, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and get notified when part 3 comes out. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.